Replace backslash with // in a variable in bash. I want to replace backslash with / in a variable in bash. I tried it like this, but it doesn't work. For example, I would like
The correct substitution is. This breaks up as follows. / replace every // with / demonstration. An alternative that may be easier to read would be to quote the pattern and the replacement.
This will do it. For example, $variable / syntax is ksh, bash, and possibly other shell specific, but is not be present in all Bourne shell syntax-based shells, for example dash. Should you want a portable way, POSIX, you might use sed instead.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.